My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. I was able to sell my Jordan 11 denims for a listing price of $525. Some exclusive Funko Pops are going to be dropping. Did see somebody sell this item for $800. I got two. That's my The main ones that I'm mainly going to be focused on are the Air Force One. Oh. Oh, they didn't have 8.5. Man, I gotta stop picking at size, bruh. A bunch of websites are going to be dropping these video texts. However, I am going to pass on that for now because I do not want my one clicks to be wasted, because this in-store sign up is way more important than these bio texts. These aren't even selling for that much to begin with, so even if I'm not able to get any of them, I really won't be that upset. Supreme in-store signups are about to take place in about 5 minutes. We have to get into the store so that we can secure ourselves some BOGOs. So hopefully we could get in.
Let's go.
Okay, 15 seconds. Oh, it's slow. Already. It's slow.
Yeah,
What do I do? Just leave it at 1 refresh?
2 taps. Oh, capture waiting to be sold?
What the heck? Reload? Reload? Nothing's here. It's crashed.
I got processing on plug.io.
Oh, I've already been registered? It says already registered.
Okay. That means I successfully registered you on my bot.
Oh, okay. So I'm good.
Yeah. Okay, duplicate registration. So I'm assuming this one was good. Alright, I'm pretty sure I was able to register a couple of billing profiles, so we're just gonna have to wait and see who gets what text messages. So for now, it's over. So the results are in, and unfortunately for me, I am not able to get into the store. But Joy, who was able to successfully sign up, was selected, and she got a ridiculous number. I can't tell you what number she is exactly, but her place in line is under 40. So she's almost guaranteed to touch absolutely any color. So she's almost guaranteed to touch any size and any color that she wants. The only small downside is that it's in DSM. Out of all the Supreme locations, that has got to be the worst one, in my opinion. Anyways, we did get some boxes in the mail, so let's open them up. Here we have some LeBron John Elliott's. I got these for a huge discount on Black Friday, and these should be a relatively easy, quick flip. Not looking to make too much off of this, but something is better than nothing. Here we have the Air Force One Low. I'm a Manier size 11. Holy crap, that is sick. The lace tips are also iridescent. Oh shoot, the back is metallic. I really like these a lot. On the picture online, these look really, really boring. But that doesn't seem to be the case in person. In person, these are awesome. As you know, tomorrow the Supreme box logos are going to be dropping, so I have to finish setting up. My setup is going to be consisted of bots that I've never used before, but has found decent to moderate success over the past weeks. I do not have the king of Supreme right now, which is Mech Preem. I do not have that bot, so I'll have to make do with what I got right now. On top of that, the Yeezy Aliens are going to be dropping as well. And to be honest, I'm not focused on this drop almost whatsoever. It seems like I'm having trouble generating cookies from my Yeezy supply bot, so I'm just gonna have to go with the old-fashioned manual methods. Anyways, we'll see how I do on the releases tomorrow. Order confirmation for a beanie, dog. A beanie, that's it. Two more order confirmations. One beanie and another beanie. I need a hoodie, bro. A hoodie. Yo, I think my internet just cut out. What the heck? Everything that I was connected to is just poof. Oh, my internet's back. Okay, all those beanies came from, oh, look! I checked out a BOGO on Velox. Got one on Velox, yo. I just checked my charge. I did get a charge for $196.69, but my order confirmation is looking funky, bro. There's no information about me getting the item. So I'm a little bit worried, but let's just hope that it goes through. Joy got back from DSM. Apparently DSM had stupid low stock. She was able to scoop up a pink hoodie size large. Holy crap, that is beautiful. She also got a black beanie. This hoodie, the market price is around $700 right now. I'm expecting prices to dip once people start to get their hoodies in, so I will try to sell this right away. As far as initial drop, the Velox Preem absolutely feasted. Unfortunately for me, I got tons and tons of payment declines, man. Just like pages of payment declines. If Supreme liked me a little bit more, perhaps it would have been a totally different story. I might have gotten like way more than I did. Anyways, we did get a bunch more boxes in, so let's unbox some shoes in the meantime. Here we got Dornbecker Air Force Ones. We got size 7.5, 8, and 8.5. I do have to say, these did look way more pink in the pictures, but nevertheless, it is a really nice and unique looking shoe. I honestly was thinking about keeping one of these as a personal, but the thing with Air Force Ones, especially white Air Force Ones, is that you gotta keep these fresh. So for my shoes, I usually beat them up, like just straight beat them up, walk around in them, I don't care. And if I end up doing that to these, they're not gonna look good anymore after like a month or maybe 2 months. I don't know. But yeah, that's the thing with Air Force One. And on top of that, being that it does have all of these details, once it creases, I'd imagine it would look really bad. But who knows? Maybe I should give it a try, because the thing is, these aren't too expensive to begin with. The retail price for these is $100. So that's not a lot at all, especially for a shoe that looks as nice as these. Anyways, we have 2 more boxes to open up, so let's see what's inside. We have some shoes from Social Status. That's where it says it's sent from. I do believe that perhaps a bunch of retailers use the same warehouse or something like that, because I know I did not order anything from Social Status, but I do believe these are the A Ma Maniére Air Force One highs. I don't get why they had to use such a huge box. If you do like this, they don't even put like bubble wrap around it. Here we have two size 9.5. I think I like the lows better, to be honest. This is a little bit, I don't know, not feeling these. Oh, I just realized it has a lace lock that's also iridescent. This swoosh is also textured, it's fuzzy and stuff. I did find the number, it is on the other shoe. It seems like only the left shoe has this. So these are actually more limited than the trophy rooms. The trophy rooms there was 7,000. And this one there's about 6,000, 5,914 to be exact. I feel like I should hold on to these because they're numbered and I know they are never going to restock more than whatever they have in circulation. The thing about this is that I don't think the demand is going to be as high as the trophy rooms, because the trophy rooms were gorgeous. Those were gorgeous shoes. These are also nice, but they're not gorgeous, you know what I'm saying? All right, package from TNF came in. No, it's in the bag. I low-key wanted to try it on, but maybe I will be able to. Would it be undesing if I tried it on? Oh well. It never happened, right guys? I can sell it as never tried on. It's not like shoes where you put it on and then you step on it and then your foot smells like ass. This is a kind of a different situation, so. Nope, I can tell this is already too small for me. Here's the back of it. Oh damn, that is so cool. More packages came in, so it's time to unbox. So 4 more Dornbeckers came in. Quite happy that these didn't get canceled because these are selling for a pretty high price in consignment shops. And another high top of the A Ma Maniére Air Force Ones, this time in a size 8.5. Okay, so tomorrow we have a very important release. We have the BRED 11s coming out. Now that is the main one that I'm going to focus on. But we also have Yeezys coming out. Not exactly sure if I even want to go for those because the BRED 11 is the important drop because I want them for myself. I want to cop at least 3 for myself, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, that was fast. That was really fast. No, not yet. I'm waiting on it. Oh man, the other computer didn't do anything. Okay, I got it on 1, got it on 2. 2 so far. Alright, here's the thing though. I've never ordered from this website before, so I don't know what the deal is with the cancellations. If they ever cancel, if they never cancel, I don't know. So I'm just gonna keep it going because I need these. I need these shoes for the toe. Since I already got 2 in my size, I'm not even going to try to bot foot sites. I'm probably going to go manual and then just manual Nike sneakers. Because I don't want to get too many of these. I know I do live in New York and I can just easily drop them off in consignment shops and make a profit, no problem. But the stock is very high. Getting a bunch of these is not something that I want to do right this moment. So I really won't be running any bots because then I run the risk of checking out more than I intend to. Oh, and I totally passed up on those Yeezys. I think they're hideous. I think the demand for those is low and I'm already holding on to a lot of Yeezys, so I'm just not even gonna try to get that. Hey, I got him on the Nike sneakers app. I got another one Nike sneaker.
Yeah,
Got him? Nice.
thank you for your order.
Alright, so I ended up getting 5 pairs. 3 of them were gonna be for me, and then 2 I'm gonna try to sell it in consignment shops probably. But yeah, mission accomplished today. I probably could have made money on the other sizes as well, but I mean, I'm holding on to too many shoes already right now, so. I just picked up a bunch more Air Force One Dornbeckers. Here they are. About a month ago, this corner was completely empty. Anyways, as I said, I did want to let go of the Supreme stuff right away before people's things start coming in through online orders. So I'm going to be selling the hoodie to him for $730, and I'm going to sell the beanie to him for about $100. Now honestly, I could have gotten better prices if I looked harder locally, but I deleted my Facebook, so I'm no longer part of like buying and selling local group in New York City. I could have made more money if I tried to find a different buyer. To do that, it takes time, and time is not on my side, being that online orders are starting to get shipping confirmations and prices would start to go down. So I'm selling it to CJ for more than the payout that I would have gotten from StockX, but less than the maximum amount that I could have possibly gotten. What's good, man?
What's up, man? What's up? Long time no see, man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The Supreme box logo I copped online, yeah, that was a ghost order. And yesterday I checked, the charges were still there, but today I checked again and the charges dropped. First up, we got the Supreme box logo beanie. Holy crap, this is actually really nice. Size 8, the Jordan 11 Reds. Oh my goodness. I've been wanting this for the longest time. Oh, they're awesome. These are so clean. I'm gonna wear this going outside today, man. So, tomorrow is the in-store release for Supreme. Apparently, it's rumored that they are dropping box logos again. This time, the t-shirt version. On top of that, SB Dunk Off-Whites are dropping as well this week. So, lots of crazy important releases. December has been absolutely filled with so much heat. So, we'll see how I do on those releases on the next episode.